Hi, this is the Realme 11 Pro and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's open first the box. So let's check. This is the USB Type-C cable, the original charger, the adapter with all of the specifications, and also let's check this paper box. Let's open it. Okay, so we add here some paperwork like the quick start guide, safety guide with the warranty card, the SIM eject tool, and the silicone protective case. So that is all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.